there are many ways to get trained on what we do in practice, especially when it comes to Market America branded products and nutraceuticals and what we're using in our office. You can get it online, you can look at videos, you can go to YouTube videos, you can have meet-ons, you can, I mean, there really is, just in the back office alone, there's a plethora of information that if you get click happy, you really can digest a lot. It does not compare to being in a seat amongst your peers and having discussions. As smart and intelligent you think you are, and as much as you know, and you really do, there's always that tidbit that you feel embarrassed almost to say, I can't believe I missed that, or how come I didn't know that, or I didn't realize we had that product. And you're not gonna get that unless you're in an environment where certain discussions take place. There's so many gems you put in your pocket for being around people, like-minded people who are doing great things, that if you don't come to the trainings, you're really missing 3/4 of this company.
So we are on the cutting edge at all times. We're on the cutting edge of technology, we're on the cutting edge of health, we're on the cutting edge of genetics. Doctors can't get our training in their usual venue.
This is really the only place that I can come to get this kind of training. And I feel very comfortable that nutraMetrix is providing a very high quality training program that, you know, I can't get anywhere else. And I didn't get it in 4 years of medical school, and I didn't get it in residency. So you've got to get the education first and decide whether or not it really fits well with your practice model. I'm very confident in that if you treat any patient population with chronic disease, it's going to be beneficial. Not an answer of, you know, should you do it, it's why aren't you doing it?
As fast as possible, get to a health implementation training to learn yourself, get confidence, learn all the tricks and all the tools, and really begin to believe that you can make a difference with lifestyle medicine and implementation of supplementation in the practice. I love the fact that in learning from colleagues and sharing your experience, we can change healthcare, one patient and one practitioner at a time.
Being in a group of peers, it's really high caliber education and science presentation, but it's really warm and friendly, and it's great knowing that you're working on a similar team, one dream. We're working for a similar goal to help improve the health of all of our patients. It's great to do that in a group atmosphere.
I think it's important for all nutraMetrix HPs to attend this type of course for multiple reasons. One is that you get more of the science behind the supplements, and I think that's important, especially when you're talking to patients and they have questions for you. Also, the other great thing I love about this course is that you're getting the experience of folks who have done it before you. So you're getting their dialogues that they're having with patients. You're getting their thoughts. You're feeling more confident about having those discussions yourself with patients.
I think one of the biggest benefits I've seen in the courses are the number of practitioners that are also learning from each other in the course. It's not common to go to a course and see more than your own discipline of medicine. With the nutraMetrix product and implementation training, we have a very wide range of practitioners that are sharing their expertise, their case studies with us, and what's really working for them. And this really opens up the number of options that practitioners that are participants can use when they go back home to practice.
The HP trainings are unique in this company because the room only has health professionals in it. We actually talk about things like the indications for different products. We actually talk about dosing for those products. And it's a much higher level training than the general product trainings, the product symposium, or anything that a non-health professional is exposed to. And attending these trainings will just take your health professional to a new level in understanding how powerful nutraMetrix nutraceuticals actually are.
I want to say one thing about the nutraMetrix training, and specifically for health professionals. In working with hundreds of health professionals, it's been consistent that the information that they need on a daily basis can be provided at the nutraMetrix Health Professional Training. At all costs, I promote every time I'm with one of my health professionals, attend the nutraMetrix training. You know, you can never have too much information, and when it comes to science, it's constantly changing. You gotta stay in tune, and nutraMetrix Health Professional Trainings is exactly where you can find the updates.